Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup on your VIVO X200 FE. Okay, so let's begin. All we need to do is to open up the settings on our device. Now, simply scroll down into the bottom until you find System Management. And once you do it, click on Backup and Restore. Make sure that backup data is enabled, and if you want, we can also enable the automatic restore. Now click on the backup data. Now, under the account storage, we have our Google account that we are currently logged into. And remember that on this account, the backup will be stored. So, for example, if you want to restore that data in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you can see right in here on your device, of course. Make sure that Backup by Google One is enabled in here. And also, when it comes to the backup details, in here you have a list of things which will be backupped. So it's going to be the apps, photos and videos, SMS and MMS messages, call history, device settings, and the Google account data. And also, just make sure that you have some free storage space in your Google account. Otherwise, you won't be able to create a backup. So make sure that you have some free space. And now, all we need to do is to click on this white button, Backup Now. Now the process will start. Under the backup word, you can see that this thin bar appeared, and it's also starting to fulfill. Basically, when it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully made, and that's a confirmation that it has been successfully done. Also, on the bottom of the screen, we will see a notification that it has been made. Alright, so I'll see you once it's done. Okay, my backup has been made. We can also see a confirmation below the Backup by Google One sentence. And we can see how long ago the last backup was made. In my case, it's 0 minutes ago because it was like 2 seconds ago. And next to it, we can see the hour. And also under the backup details, when we have our list, we can see the details. So 19 apps has been backupped, the call history, and the device settings, and all the data below. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.